You can add any height you need under the buns, underneath one or both knees. Let's inhale those hands up and overhead. Once they arrive up and overhead, interlace those fingers, actively press those palms up towards the ceiling. With the palms pressed up towards the ceiling, our shoulders dropped away from the ears, let's gently twist side to side. Make sure the navel's drawing towards the spine, and honoring that this may be a bit challenging. And then gently, once you're even, we're going to take a little bit of a side hinge, side to side. Make sure your navel is still drawing towards your spine. Once you're even, coming back to center, we're going to release those hands as you exhale. Take a nice deep twist towards your right. Breathe fully here. Inhale as you return to center. Exhale as you twist towards your other side. Make sure we have the chin and the navel slightly tucked, so we're reaching up through the back portion of the crown of the head. As we inhale, let's arrive back in center.